Hi guys! Hi everyone! So today it's March 8th already and it's been a week of not uploading. I just noticed it. It's been a month and then I checked my email and then the YouTube just messaged me that I have my monthly what's happening on my month there. On my YouTube, so everything is going fine to everyone who is asking, but I am still not yet I will not just say that, never mind that. Anyway, right now we will go to the church and I'm going to say something about you guys maybe in the other video that is you noticed that I did not upload and I am not very informative of my life right now, but I think I will just upload on the other video and video. And then right now we will go in our doctor's office today with my husband as usual. That's my husband. And still snowy. Wow, still snowy here. Okay guys, so anyway guys, I will just share it with you. This scar. I have this scar for a very long time. If you were asking what is your scar, where did you get it from? I got this one when I was a kid. No, not from a bear. When I was a kid, suddenly there is a burn in our house. No, not in our house. Suddenly my brother is playing a fire in a candle. So a candle and a straw. So if you're going to of course if you're going to put the straw in the candle, it will melt, right? So he didn't notice that I was on his below, my brother, and then I was playing down there because it's blackout, by the way. That's why he didn't saw me. And then he's playing this candle in the Philippines, so that is our source of light there before when I was a little. And then he is playing there and then it melts and he just noticed that something is burning and it's me. I started to cry. I don't know what to do because I'm only I think 1 or 2 years old back then. I wipe it with his hand but nothing. So instead of from the fire, using the fire, it just spread right away. Actually it was up to here, almost here, 3 inches more as time goes by. So it lessens, it shortens rather, right? So how about my ring? So this is my ring. The 2 rings were melded together. So as you can see, this one, the first one here, the blue one, the one that is the with the sapphire with the blue, it's the engagement ring. So the engagement ring has a 4 green diamonds and a 1 sapphire, and then our wedding ring is there already. So it's already in 1 ring. It's molded already. There you go. So why sapphire? You know what? Because I love, if you know Princess Diana, I like her. I love her. When I was a kid, I think I was 6 years old when I heard that she died. And I am not, you know, I can remember, even though I'm just very little, but I can remember her because everyone is crying in the television. And then I saw her rings. I said, oh my gosh, I love that rings. And then it's sapphire, and that's it. Luckily my husband, I didn't know that my husband could be a sapphire one with green diamonds. That's it. Just sharing to you guys, okay? It's nothing, it's up to you. It's your reference if you're going to whatever your fiance or your husband to be going to give you. But this is the one that he gave me.
I picked out a sapphire because it was mined in an ecologically friendly mine, and it was a co-op, so all the villagers shared the profits.
Oh, so that's his reason.
Yes.
For me, it's like, I love sapphire.
It was a Sri Lankan sapphire. I forget what the term is for it when you get one that's been acquired safely. I don't remember what it is. I can't think of the term.
Anyways, that's it. That's the reason. We will go out now because we are going to our doctor first for our checkup. And that's it, guys.
Ooh, look how empty the parking lot is. All right.
All right. It's 3 o'clock. Ready, that's what by the way. Dr. Garvey, he is a very good doctor. So if you're near here, go here, guys. Just go here. It's a very good doctor, guys. There's no people today. I go to the guard. So here in our hotel, here in our clinic, you will go in your room, different room, and then the doctor will just go here. So these are, once you go inside the room, it will be just like this. It's an ECG rather, or ECG in the Philippines, or EKG, ECG everywhere, only in the Philippines. So, and then we will just lie here, and then the doctor will just check everything. If we have pain in our back, because our doctor's specialty, he is a general doctor, but he, as you can see here, the American Board of Physician Specialties membership. So he almost everything, he knows everything. So not hard for it to. So he's a very good doctor, guys. We are back now, going home. So I am done. We are done on our appointment today to our doctor, and I'm going to have to take a vitamin C and some electrolytes, electrolyte drinks. So we have it on the house according to my husband. And then
we'll get more.
What
we have right now is the extremely powerful stuff, and then we'll just buy Gatorade at the store.
Okay, so that is the one that we have it, and then the third one is ultrasound. I'm going to have an ultrasound here on my belly. If there is still a retained tissue from my baby, because I had a miscarriage and I did not upload it yet, or I'm going to upload it yet. And I think that's all, guys. So I think we will just go home today, and my husband will go to his game, and I will go back to my routine. My routine is to study, and I'm going to back to work as possible.
Well,
I need to work, guys.
I gotta cook. I gotta go home. We'll call our other doctor, and then I will cook.
Oh, you will cook? I thought
Yes.
you're going now for the game.
It's 4 o'clock. I still got 2 hours left.
Oh, guys, my husband, we're going to cook shepherd's pie. So I will try to help him out and try to do a video on it then. Okay? Okay, guys, so I'm going to take now my vitamins C that is prescribed, and then the adult electrolyte. So I'm going to take this now. This one. And then my husband is cooking now the shepherd's pie. Okay, guys, this is a half and half, and then a water, 2 cups of water, and then a half and half is milk. And then we are going to make a mashed potato. So I will just put it here, so that, and then we will put it on the microwave, and it will be for the shepherd's pie of my husband. That is his specialty. So I will do it now. Okay. Okay guys, this product is Ida one. It's a roasted garlic mashed potato, so it will just, you can make this for just 10 minutes and it's all done. So I will just put it here now. Then after that, I will just stir it with this. So it's a mashed potato now. Instant mashed potatoes. So my husband is now doing this. So that is the meat. He sauteed it first a while ago with the garlic and some of the pepper. And now he's putting these carrots and beans. Peas rather. Peas.
I like color.
Now he's putting carrots.
Corn.
A corn! Now he's putting the corn. Oh, yummy. So you have the fats or carbohydrates, protein. Okay, the one that is beeping is the oven because we will be going to put this in the oven after the mashed potatoes. So after this one, he will put the mashed potato, guys, and then we will put it on the oven for this 20 minutes. The mashed potato. This is the one that I made, guys.
Roasted garlic.
Yeah, it's roasted garlic. So this is the last one, guys. The paprika. Just put more. Yummy, 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 yummy. It's something like spicy or what. So
if you want more of it, you can always put it on your food when you eat it.
Okay. And now we'll put it on the oven. Yum. Bye. Okay. We'll see you later. Okay, bye-bye.